Okay, in this video I'm going to change out a 3-prong grounded outlet. The first step is to turn off the power. Make sure the power is completely shut off. The reason I'm changing this plug out is, as you can see from the key here on my meter, I have an open ground. So I'm going to go ahead and change it out to a 2-prong outlet. Okay, once we're sure the power's off, we can go ahead and take out the middle screw that's holding the cover plate on. The next thing we want to do is remove the 2 screws that are holding the outlet to the outlet box. Once both of those screws are out, we can go ahead and pull the outlet out from the wall a little bit, just give us a little room to work here. Should be a little slack in the wire. And then simply remove the wires. This particular outlet, the wires are wrapped around the screw. Sometimes they'll be plugged in from the back. Just simply remove the 2 screws that are holding the wires on and gently pull the wires off. You want to be careful not to pull the wires out of the wall or break the wire too far back in the wall to make it difficult. Okay, now we have the 2-prong outlet that we're going to be using as a replacement. You'll notice one side has a silver set of screws. Those are going to be for your white wire or your neutral. The other side will have brass screws. That's for your hot side or the black wire. And the next step is pretty straightforward. You want to take the black wire and wrap it around the brass screw and tighten that up. Once you get that tightened, turn the outlet over and just repeat the process. Take the other wire, the white wire, wrap it around the silver screw and go ahead and tighten that up. Get a little needle nose in there and just pinch that, make sure it gets a good connection, get it in there good and tight so it doesn't come off once we get it tightened up. Now we've got our new outlet completely hooked up. We can go ahead and put it back in the wall. We just want to make sure that none of the wires are touching any metal parts. If you have a metal junction box, you want to make sure that none of the wires are touching that. And we can go ahead and put our 2 outlet screws back on and tighten those up. And the last thing we have left to do is put the outlet cover back on. You want to be careful on this so that you don't over tighten the screw in the center and break your outlet cover. And once you get that on, you can go ahead and turn the power on and test it out.